Fingers crossed this thing starts up. Genuinely do not know the last time I drove this car. We're gonna get it out on the road today and see what happens. Make sure everything's still working. Have to get some stuff for the master cylinder replacement that we're gonna do Saturday probably, I think. So it's gonna be a little Walmart run, I guess. Oh, buddy, we've been slacking. Yo, it almost didn't want to start up for a second. I do think I need some new sensors because that keeps popping up. Don't know what the deal is with that. I think my sensors are out, or if I even have them on these wheels, I have no idea. Probably need a new alternator. All that stuff's gonna come eventually, but we gotta take it one step at a time, man. Tell you what though, I am not trying to get gas. Absolutely not. Y'all see how expensive gas is? I'm here, it's like $5 and some change, bro, per gallon. That's wild. I didn't buy this car to fill up for like $100-something. That's crazy, bro. Hopefully y'all can hear me okay, but so far, I mean, feel pretty good. I could definitely use some shocks. I can really feel it. I really wanted to test the brakes because I never really paid much attention to it. But I mean, let me not brake check this person behind me. I mean, it feels good. Like it's not spongy. It's like, it's pretty stiff. I was worried it had a leak in the master cylinder, but I don't think that's the case. I see there's like 2 or 3 like pretty prominent cracks in them, and I wanted to check that out for sure. Worst case scenario, we just get massive brake failure, but stopping is pretty good. I don't want to mash on it, you know, but, and plus I don't track this car anyway, so it's not like it's not like I'm doing like a bunch of hard stops as it is. So just need to replace that cylinder and then change out the brake fluid, and we are good to go. I think, man. I think we're good to go. Yo, they almost got in an accident right there. What the hell? That's crazy. $4.28 for regular gas is insane, bro. Whose idea was that? That is crazy. I feel bad for y'all diesel guys. I'll tell you what. Yeah, everything feels good. I did some what is that rattling? Is it this? I don't know. I just did some like basic maintenance on the car. Haven't driven it, haven't like done anything to it after I did this stuff. Just really minor stuff, y'all. You're not interested in that kind of stuff, but just making sure everything functions how it should, and we feel pretty good. Oh yeah, I know, I need an exhaust, I know. I mean, I have an exhaust, but apparently y'all like super loud exhausts. That's wild to me. But you know what, I'm down. This is the loudest car that I've had, so why not? I'm down to make it louder. There's just a lot of stuff that I need to do beforehand. See, this tire pressure light keeps coming on. That's kind of annoying. So I just need to add that to the list. Add that to the list of things that I need. Tire sensors, tire pressure sensors. So add that to the list of never-ending parts to replace. I hope y'all are doing good in these times, because man, everything is expensive. Y'all know they upped the price of the PlayStations, the PS5s. The PS5 Pro is gonna be $1,000. That doesn't even make sense, bro. That makes no sense to me. Feels good. Oh yeah, we're feeling good. No issues so far. No misfires. If you didn't know, I had a nasty misfire. I had my coil, or my spark plug wires, like one of them was just like absolute dog water, so I had to replace the whole set. This was weeks ago. I haven't driven the car much since then, but again, everything feels good. Yeah, I'm excited. Still got that trans leak though. Oh. But we're not gonna talk about that. I don't think the trans leak is like a consistent leak. I think it just leaks at startup. Obviously, there's not a way I can test to see if it leaks while I'm driving. I don't think it does. But I've done checks whenever I stop. I've done like plenty of checks to make sure I'm not leaking anything. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to get it in the air. I need to, dude, there's so much I need to do. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I don't know how I'm gonna keep up with all of this, man. There's so much I need to do. But if we can get the car in the air, I can kind of address where the leak is coming from, and we can just go from there. If I can just patch it up, then good. I'm down for that. I'm down. But if it's gonna be like this whole thing and I gotta do all this stuff, like dude, I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna have to do it because I want the car to run, but too many problems. It makes you wanna do the S word. I'm not gonna say it because the car is very sensitive. Feels good, man. It's silent in here finally. I guess I should address this because I know there's a lot of new people watching now. Yes, I know I have an automatic. Is that a new restaurant? That's a new restaurant. I'm gonna check that out. Yes, I have an automatic. I used to daily drive this car. At one point in time, this was my only car. And I drove it daily for like a year. And my thought process when I was young and dumb, I was like, yeah, I could daily drive a C5 easy. And after like a year, I was done. And obviously I didn't want to drive manual every day because I'd just sit in traffic on the way to work, and like, who wants to do all that, you know? I am always in traffic. So that was the thought process. I was like, yeah, I'll just get an automatic, daily drive it, we're good to go. And it was good for like a year, and then, dude, after a year, I was like, all right, like, I can't do this anymore. So that's the idea behind the reason why I got an automatic. I like automatics. I'm not like a manual purist or anything, but just to explain that. Because some of y'all are crazy, dude. Like, some of y'all say like, oh yeah, it's not a Corvette if it's not manual. What? They're always doing construction over here, bro. You probably can't hear it, but we do have like some burbles and stuff, but you probably can't hear it through the camera. I say I need some headers. Oh man, we just gotta tack on so much stuff to this list. It's insane. But I'm trying to get the car to a point where it is 100% solid before I go dumping like bolt-ons, like more bolt-ons and stuff to it. So we're almost there. I can see the finish line. We're almost there. There's just some more things that we got to do. That's all. Just trying to get the car, you know, fully warmed up, heated up. Basically there. At the end of the day, it's not that hot. So, but if I were going to have an issue, I probably would have had it by now. So I think we're in the clear. I hate coming to Walmart, but we got the first half of what we need. I was in there for way too long, bro. Y'all see this Bruce Almighty? This Bruce Almighty moon over here? I know it's dark, I know. But it's looking clean in person. You know what I need to do? I need to add some lights in here, some LED lights. It is dull in here. But the reason I took so long, I walked past this thing like 5 times, and it was like at the bottom of the shelf hidden. And this thing is tiny. Like, this thing is like a good like 3-4 inches maybe. I thought the bottle would be a lot bigger than this, or maybe like double the size, but we got what we need. So now we can start that project whenever. I still don't know why this thing gets stuck, bro. Old car problems, I guess. There we go. We good? There we go. Now I can see. Yo, check it out. We have TC. Oh my God. Amazing. That's not gonna last long. Oh my God, this road, bro. Oh my God. The worst thing I've ever felt in my life. Oh fuck. Note to self, do not come down here. Oh my God. I need to get off this road, bro. I know we're switching cameras back and forth. I legit never show y'all the car because I'm always sitting inside of it. But this is what we're working with. Pretty nice. I might get some shots out here tonight, actually. Absolutely love these taillights, bro. I will never go over these. I wanted the infinity ones, but I found those after I got these, so I was like, yeah, nah, I'm good. But we're gonna leave the car running so I have TC for the rest of the night. Yeah, we'll hop back in and take this thing home because this was a successful test drive. I am so glad I lowered the car when I did because night and day difference. And we're still on lowering bolts. We don't even have coilovers yet. That's the funny part. Oh! I know some of y'all probably get mad, but I legit never floor this car. Like, I'm always like right there, but I never like pedal to the metal. That's a problem. No lights on the dash. That's new. That's never before seen. Look what I found. Look what I just found in the garage. Right underneath where I put the tires. Damn, bro. Imagine if I ran over that screwdriver and it punctured the tire. Would have been a different night. But again, we're probably gonna go ahead and do this weekend. This is just to get some of that excess fluid out of the reservoir. We got a little bit of something, and we'll get this started. And I think we can make this work easy. Overall, though, I am very happy with where the car is right now. Still a lot of work that needs to be done. Nothing that's too major. Nothing that's like life altering or like, you know, too crazy with the car, but just bit by bit, we're just gonna keep working our way up, and just gotta hope and pray that the car lasts that long. But these cars are good to last, you know, 150. I've seen some 200,000 miles on them. You just gotta drive them and keep up with the maintenance. You'll be good to go. But fingers crossed with that. I mean, worst case, I just get a C6. But now that I know that the car is good and good working condition, I'll probably go on some more drives now because I have not done that at all lately. Like, it's been like a couple of weeks, I think. I can actually enjoy the car as it is. All right, man, I gotta go eat, and appreciate y'all for hanging out with me, and I will catch y'all in the next one.